Hola, estudiantes. I'm going to explain the Quizlet that you're going to make out of the vocabulary for our next unit, Unidad Dos. That's page 91. So you're going to go to your flex text here, flex text, and then scroll down to Unidad Dos, Unit 2. I'm going to go to the Vocabulario y Síntesis de Gramática. There's two vocabulary pages, actually. There's 91, and then there's another one down here. But you're going to go to this one. But it first starts with synthesis of grammar. You can always read that over too if you want. And then vocabulario. You're going to do así se dice 1, así se dice 2, and así se dice 3 over here. That's 27 terms. And that includes the titles of each in that 27. So you're going to go to the make your Quizlet, and as usual, well, first you're going to add a title, Vocabulario, page 91. But let's call it, you can just abbreviate así se dice and just say ASD 1 through 3. That's what us Spanish teachers have been doing. And then put your name here. And then the first term will be this, los miembros y la estructura de la familia. Los miembros y la estructura de la familia. And then, Quizlet, so helpful, just tells you what it is in English, so that helps. I just want to check something. Yeah, okay. All right, so that'll be number 1. And then once you're done with the last one, will actually be number 27, will be trabajador / trabajadora. So you should be doing those slashes too. So that'll be 27. So trabajador / hardworking. Please get your name in there, okay? You have to squeeze it in there. Squeeze it in there. I know there's some extra stuff on here. I will have to see your name, okay? And the first term here. So screenshot of that. And then you'll scroll down to what will be number 27 and take a screenshot of that. And then you'll turn in those screenshots on the assignment post. BN. Woo.